Hello. So I'm gonna show you a little trick. This is like a empty, blank, there's no soap in it, sponge. Just a cheap sponge, whatever, yeah? There's no soap in it. Now, I'm doing it because I have one hand. I'm gonna do 3. This is about 2 spoons of soap and water in a spray bottle. Now, didn't look like very much, yeah? It's not very much. But all I'm going to do is just squeeze it like that. And we're going to start getting a lot of soap out of here. And that's all you need. And this will, so long as you don't squeeze it all out as I did just before, as I showed you, you can have soap for like many dishes. And if it's, yeah, you can just, you know what I mean? And it's just that little bit, just so you know. Yeah. Bye.